Face down. The top of your booty jiggling out your jeans, baby. Pull your pants up. I like it when I see you do it better than I've ever seen it done before. A lot of women drop it to the ground, but how low can you go? Lower than your mama's ever seen it in a lifetime. Never would have imagined it, not even in her right mind. Practice in front of that mirror now.
The National Weather Service has issued a Garfield thunderstorm watch for Dallas, Houston, Fayette, Plains, San Antonio, Texas, effective until further notice. If you see this cloud coming at you, there is a possible chance that you will turn into Garfield. High chance of risk of developing tornado. High, expected winds, 75 miles per hour wind gusts or higher. This concludes the emergency alert system.
Doing it on the dance floor, mad cause I can't get with your chick.
The National Weather Service has issued a Garfield thunderstorm warning for San Antonio, TX. The cat is now identified as Garfield himself. He created this cloud that can turn you into Garfield. High chance of 75 miles per hour wind gusts. High. This concludes the emergency alert system.
I'm sad.
Why are you sad, Potty Monkey?
All of my friends are wearing big monkey underwear, and I am still in a diaper and pull-up.
Do not worry.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for the following counties: Fayette, TX. Effective until further notice, Garfield has now decided to step up the wind speed to 120 miles per hour. Possible risk of heavy rainfall, high. Possible risk of thunder, high. This concludes the emergency alert system.
Your mother will get you a special potty to learn, and then you can use the big potty someday.
Thanks, Dad. Can we get a potty for me soon?
Let's go talk to your mother. Potty.
Brother Frog hops home and tells Mother Frog what has happened.
Why are you alone, Big Brother Frog? Where is Baby Frog? Ribbit, ribbit.
National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, Rowan County until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Dearmond, Carnes, Powell, Norris, and Halls. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina and East Tennessee and southwest Virginia.
Shaking his head.
It can't be bigger than this.
Its legs are bigger than that.
3, 2, 1, go.